Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to render the animation in Krita, and we can create the animation into the GIF format or the video format. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, I'm gonna be honest and also say sorry in advance to you because I have ever tried to download this FFmpeg to help me to render this animation into the GIF or video format, guys. However, I found the trouble or the issue to do the installation, guys. So apparently you can actually save this animation and make it into the GIF or the video easily without this FFmpeg installation, guys. So in case you have already create your animation, for example like this, your simple animation, and also you can make sure that this animation will start from the 0 keyframe and also the 21st keyframe like this. And after that you can start to go to this file and click render animation. So if you are the first timer to do the animation and if you would like to render it, usually it will only mark or thicken this export as image sequence, guys. And if you would like to create this animation into the video or GIF, so you need to inactivate this section, and if you find it cannot be unthick, don't worry, because you can thick it first, export as video, and unthick it. So as you can see that we can change it into the export as video. And this will be the first frame and also the last frame over here. You can make sure again this start from the 0 and 21st or 21. And also this will be the width and also the height we have, the FPS and also the filters. And you can render as, for example, if you click this, there will be the drop down. We can make it into the MPEG for video or GIF image. Which one do you prefer? For example, I will make it into the MPEG video, and you can also choose the video location. For example, I will choose it here and I will type, for example, exercise, and click save. And after that you can continue to choose this OK and kindly wait for the rendering process. And after that you can go to the folder location in your computer where the video will be saved, and this will be the video we have. You can open it, and this will be the animation we have. So isn't that easy, right? And if you see a lot of donuts over here, so previously I also made a mistake because I previously export or render this animation by thickening this export as image sequence, guys. And the previous animation was a lot of keyframe, so that it will provide you a lot of picture of frame like this, guys. So please don't make mistakes like me, but you can go to this export as video and you can choose about the format of the video or the GIF animation from this Krita. So you can choose this format and you can simply click this OK, and it will automatically saved into your device. So that's all, guys. I hope this video found you helpful, and don't forget to try this tutorial, and I hope that this tutorial also helpful for you. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.